This was a long weekend. Um, this video is definitely an after the fact video. I forgot to make an introduction video, but what you guys are gonna see is us doing a lot of work with the laundry room and getting that pretty much finished up. We had to do a lot of the wiring and finish up the plumbing and duct work and all of that, and it actually ended up looking way better than we expected, but I'm excited to be done with it. So please take a look at what it took just to get to where we are. Next day, and we're kind of in a hurry because we're having people coming in about 3-4 hours, so I need to get a couple of things done. First being, I'm needing to, well, let me turn it over. I'm needing to poke the hole in there, and I'm going to be putting a vent for the dryer right there. So that's today's task, so then I can start doing the wall for the that goes behind the dryer. All right, so we have done so far all of this side, and then we're getting into here after poking the hole down there. And we have people coming over, so we decided it's time also to cook a little bit within the construction. So I got some fresh oregano and thyme and rosemary, and we're going to be making sauce with beef in it, and then orzo noodles, and we're gonna feed a lot of people, I guess. We were wanting to check to make sure the electricity is going here, so I've set it to alternating current, because that's what comes straight out of your wall, is alternating. So 119 on one side, 119 on the other, 239, 240 on this, which obviously means it's good to go. So all I have left to do is put this cap on. And I would caution people to do this. It's, you know, I mean, even 110 volts or 115 volts are dangerous, but 240, yeah, it's a little bit different. And then just so we have a little bit better cable management, I'll attach this. Cool, it's done. It's all good to go. All the way here, down and through. to install the washer and dryer, and I have added a lamp for the time being. I need to add a light right above here, which I haven't done yet. It seems like the washer has been doing all right. It's been going on for about 18 minutes or so. So we'll see what happens with it, but so far on my plumbing I have had no leaks. I have a little drop there, so I might try to tighten it just a tad bit more on the one side, and another little bitty tiny drop on the other. But it has been going on for 20 minutes, well, a little bit less, but anyway, it's doing pretty well so far. Alright, so today we really need to be cleaning what we've been using as a shop. We're very close to being done with the kitchen. I'll show you maybe later what it looks like, but it is quite a bit of a mess. So let me show you what this is like. So this is supposed to be some type of sunroom, but we have a ton of tools in here, and so our job right now is to clean it up, because the issue that we're having is with all sawdust and everything that is on the floor, every time we walk through we bring it back to the rest of the house. So we want to clean it up so that does not happen anymore, and we have our work cut out for us.